Go fuck yourself.
Okay.
Gentleman in the mix.
Chat. Good morning, man. How are you all doing? Welcome back to the streams, my friends. Let's get into it here. We got an exciting time here. Who's here though? Come say hi if you're here. Let's start this one off nicely. Jump into the streams right now. What's good? Spion. Welcome back, my friend. Fallow, Adam, Mr. Rays. Joshua's here as well. All right, chat. Let's start this thing up. Let me just turn this up. Wait, one sec. All right, nice. Chat. That was probably loud as fuck. Good morning, man. Good morning. Welcome back to the streams, everyone. Hopefully you guys are doing well. It's Monday right now. You ain't got no job. You guys actually do probably, but that was peak. Monday off was good, Levi. Chat, all the OGs are in here right now. I'm excited. This is going to be good. Lots of potential right here. Holy shit, chat. We might get a position in the next 10 minutes. We might get a position here. What's good, GG? How we doing? Yeah, that's actually mean. Someone clipped that there. That's quite funny. All right. Chat. Let's do a little breakdown right now. Jump into this one. A lot of opportunity here today. And yeah, man. So look, the weekly time frame, chat, is a bit weird right now. We have like a top wick and a bottom wick here. Sort of in the middle of nowhere. Needs to make a decision. Daily time frame, same. You did actually come down and nearly tap into our advantage point here. I would have thought you would have come a lot further down, but you didn't. So that's a little bit interesting, to be honest. 4 hour right now is also flipping after previously closing bullish. You have grabbed the bottom wick on the 4, so potentially you might be looking to continue up here. Same on the 2 hour, which is interesting, to be honest. But overall, chat, if we actually go back and look at some previous price action mirrors, if you guys watched the daily analysis, or the pre-week analysis on the Discord from yesterday, you guys will see we're essentially in a higher time frame range between these two levels right here. Now you need to come down realistically and tap into the bottom of this level, in my opinion. You might have further down on the weekly as well, but you can also notice that we do have some mirrors here to the left. Every time you do close into these levels, you come down and tap into like 87, 74 as well. So realistically, I mean, look, there's some opportunity for us to continue down right here. 1 hour currently has no bottom wick as well after closing below, which is interesting. So if we look at our 1 hour levels right now, you do have one up here towards 24 right now. You also have another level, I would say, we're looking at right here, 33.10 is not a bad level right now. Yeah, 33.09 I think actually, for a target at least. And then obviously, to be honest, if we want sales, it's going to be a little bit lower, like 33.03. Actually, in fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark up this one as like a target here, and then we'll do 33.03 as the level for the sells. Is it 33.03 or 33.01? 33.01 I think is the area right there that you're looking at for sells. Actually, to be fair, what did I see earlier as well? Let me just go through this. There was a level right here as well, but I'm not too concerned about that. If we go back on the, what did I have here earlier? Yeah, there's sort of a level up here. I did have a break-even trade earlier, by the way. Yeah, this is interesting, chat. It gets very choppy around here. There's obviously one down here towards 32.86, which is essentially that daily no bottom wick that we spoke about earlier. I would say as well, I'd actually move this down a little bit here towards 33.29. Sorry, 32.99, which is basically 3,300 here. But yeah, you have just closed respect in this area, so maybe we can't get the sells yet. I was going to try and look for some sells off of this candle right here, if it did close bearish, but yeah, I think maybe we can come up towards the top of the range right now. So chat, these are my levels today. 33.13, which we've just bounced off of. 33.24 is buys above. And then the other two are for the sells back down below, right? So that makes a lot of sense to me. If you do close back above these highs, you've got some bullish market structure as well. And if you do continue back down, you're actually starting to make some bearish market structure. So for me, either way right now, we can get some decent positions here. I do want to see what happens now that this 4 hour has flipped. And the 2 hour as well. Let's just check Awanda quickly. What does it look like? Same sort of thing, right? Yeah, similar. All right, cool, chat. So that's the analysis. If that makes sense, then good. If it doesn't, if you guys have any questions, now's your time to mention them. And yeah, chat, let's get into it. Let's get into the streams, man. I'm excited for this. A lot of opportunity today. It's fucking hot in this room. Why is my aircon not working recently? Someone tell me. How do I make it even cooler? Oh, fuck it, let's just do this. Just turn it down like mad. Fuck it. How far back are you gone to gauge 309? Quite far. No, there's a level right here and right here as well. And if you go super far back, like it plays out here as well. So that's actually, what was that, a week ago exactly? No, a month ago, sorry. But the rest of it, yeah, is about a week ago. What's good there, Gareth? How's it going, brother? What's good, what's good, what's good? Nice. To be honest, good to have you back, my friend. Hopefully you're doing well. Heard about your ankle, though. Hopefully it repairs quickly. But at least you get some time off work, right? That's the most important thing. Kind of. Five-minute closing here. What did you take in the morning? Oh, bro, I actually had a tough one. I got 2 break-even sales pretty much. Had some sales from somewhere up here, got tapped break-even. When it came back up above this level, retested. And then I had more sales down here that actually played out for a little bit of profit, but nothing crazy. Again, just following the trend downwards. Ah, Mr. Eugene. Welcome back to the stream, my friend. Are you back off holiday now? Chat, yesterday I met someone from stream as well. Mr. J. Jay's in here all the time. He was in Cyprus. He was like, do you want to go for lunch? Fuck it. We did. It was actually sick. Really, really interesting, man. Yeah, card died from the earthquake, but someone found my reboot card. Oh, that's good. Do you use OBS? Yeah. I do, man. Surprised someone wasn't spawn camping you, Eugene. Moment you rebooted. What's good, Jay? Yes, then. All right, let's make a meal today, chat. Let's make a meal. It's possible. Thought taking buys in the range we are in now. It's not a bad idea, but I want to wait for some confirmation. Have you had any time to look at the giveaway account? Have I still not given you that, bro? I swear I did. Let me do it now so I don't forget, because I keep forgetting. Wait. I'm gonna send you 2 codes. It's either one of these. I can't remember which one it is, but try both of them. There you go, Mr. Danny. Send it to you. Yeah, Eugene, you should have hopped over. New week, new account. I forgot I was in a position with no stop loss from Friday. Tough. Yeah, high life. That's not ideal. That's not ideal. Chat, Apex have a 71% off sale right now as well. So if you guys do want to get an Apex account, make sure you do. Go ahead and use code TRLS. It's going to get you £1 million off your account. They actually pay you to trade it. Ah, thanks, Fiona. Yeah, I typed it in wrong. I like lunch. Lunch is good. Just had 9 sausages. That's an audacious amount of sausages. 9, you know. Bro's Mr. Pork over here. Chat, if we do close above 24 here, though, that is a super clean level. Like, extremely clean. Problem is, stops are going to be ginormous. 100 pips, pretty much. Yeah. $100 days till I get home from the army. Let's go. Crazy. 3 months, basically. That's not too long, man. I'm sure it'll fly by. And then you can be locked. Bro, I remember you saying you were going away for a year. I remember you saying that on stream. Time flies. I literally remember you being like, yeah, I have to go to the military now. When you first left. That's crazy. It was 6 months ago too. 6 months ago. Yeah, still that's crazy. Why is this aircon not fucking working? I'm sweating in here. I swear it's like 35 degrees right now. 15-minute closing though, chat, right now. 15-minute closing. This is interesting. So bullish close above the highs. Take your shirt off, bruv. Can't do that, bro. I did a shirtless analysis yesterday and I got cooked for it. Nah, I'm playing. All right, 15-minute top wick first as well. Not ideal. Chat, make sure you drop a like, by the way, if you haven't already. It's extremely important. By the way, I had 2 new videos released over the weekend. We're pumping out content right now. I think I'm going to bring it up to like 2 or 3 videos a week. So if you're trying to learn to trade, there's your video, man. Or there's your channel, I guess. We've seen the day in the life, found them real good. Yeah, the day in the lives were good, bro. I've got another vlog coming out as well on YouTube. But like a lot of the stuff I've been posting is trading stuff, right? These 2. The next one, chat, that I've got, this one's in the locker right now, ready to come out. Free course. It's like 35 minutes long. Oh no, sorry, 29 minutes long still. It's gonna be sick. It goes through literally everything, my entire strategy. Actually, not my entire strategy, but most of it. Which should be good. I'm excited. Help a lot of people if they want to. Spit on it will, bro. It actually will. That's the thing though. You have to, there's only so much that I can do. I realize this, right? I can post as many videos as you want. It's like the same. You can't lead, well, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't force him to drink. Same shit, right? Because I can make as many videos as I want. But if you guys don't watch them and don't take them in and like don't take notes and like actually study, you're not going to become profitable, man. It's just one of those things. So it's for the people who actually want to... I don't care if my videos get like 10 views. If 10 people who actually... Obviously they're going to get more than 10 views, but if it was just 10 views, but those 10 people were ones who actually studied it and got value out of it, I'd be gassed. You know, I'd much rather that than 100,000 views, but everyone's just watching it for the sake of watching it. I studied, bro, Johnny Walker. Mr. Belmar. Chat, look at this 4-hour candle. 2-hour closing in 11 minutes as well. Very interesting. Maybe we can grab some buys here to continue back up, because you did fail to make a new low now. You made like a higher high here, now a higher low. If I was a beginner, I'd 100% recommend watching your videos. They have so much raw value and they're so helpful. Thank you, Danny. I appreciate it, brother. Yeah, it's true. It's true. Like, they should realistically give me a knighthood. They should give me a knighthood, man. I'm joking. Did my withdrawal land yet from IC markets? Chat, last week I had one trade. One trade on my live account, that was it. How insane is that? Friday morning, very, very clean position. DM your bank details, I'll send over dough for yesterday. Nah, you're good, bro. Appreciate it though. Did it go through? Starting to reject a little bit here, chat. Yo, are we still rocking with the New York streams over London? I think so, right? I think New York's popping. Wait, did it land? So confused. Completed. Let me check. Show me what you got. It says completed. Now I'm tripping out, chat. The money's not there, man. Where's my 2K? It was helping FG look like the boy in front of the missus. I would have paid it anyway, man. Short question. In the summer, I want to start my first live account with 1K and I want to do it in a regulated broker with 1 to 30 leverage. Is that still enough to risk like 2 to 5% per trade? I don't think so. I don't think you can risk 5% per trade. Maybe you can risk 2. Wait, I'm sure there's a way to work it out. Leverage, calculator, Forex. Chat, is this 1 hour going to flip? Oh, this is sick. Wait, no, go back. Man, what the fuck is this doing? Instrument. What do you trade, Spion? You trade EURUSD, right? Holy shit, man, this is jarring. This website's the most AIDS website ever. So to trade 1 lot on EURUSD, you need 4K in an account with 30 to 1 leverage. So that's like... To be fair, you're not going to be trading 1 lot, are you? You're going to be trading like... What's your stop loss on EURUSD? Wait, let's just do gold actually. So if you're trading... Wait, gold is like this, right? Fuck yeah, I don't know. Try and figure out on that calculator. I don't know how it works. That website's pissing me off. Chat, we're pushing down here though. Look at this. This is actually the trade that I wanted here. This big rejection here off the 30, but it didn't form, right? Yo, I'm tripping right now though because Mr. IC Markets told me that I've got a 2K withdrawal that's been completed. Where is it? Oh, it is there, bro. Is it pending? Ah, it's pending, that's why. Okay, my bad. Give me my money. Show me what you got. All right, chat. Yeah, big rejection. Using IC market still. I switch up between multiple brokers, to be honest. I use 50% on Razor FX, 50% on IC markets. It's not 50%. I don't know why I said that. I have another one as well, but yeah. Gold is melting. It is indeed. Chat, I want to start my own broker because all these brokers are fucking AIDS. Like, they're all terrible. There's no real good Forex brokers. Although maybe I should use XNest because XNest, their offices are right in the marina, like 10 minutes away from me. So if worst case comes to worst, I'll just go and beat him up. Give him my money back. See a mirror on the 4 hour. Also send it into the Discord. This one, right? And this one. Or what? Where'd you send it? This one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, same shit, right? Yeah, man. Good shit. That's good analysis. I think that's very valid, to be honest. I want to see a closure below, though, first. I also had this as my mirror as well here. Chat, look at this. You have a very strong mirror, right? On these areas. You see this push down here, this push down here, and then obviously we're starting it right now here. After tapping into this level, and this level, right? This was my mirror as well. That's why I had sales earlier on this break of the low. But this wick here to the left stopped me out break even, which was kind of annoying. Because like we saw a big profit, and then we went like no bottom wick closure, straight up wick. I was like, okay, I need to go risk free here. Like there's nothing else I can do. And then I went, watch out. And then I reattempted on this close here as well. Took a little bit of profit, but nothing crazy. Because I got also slipped on the break even. Somehow on futures I got slipped. I don't even know how that's possible, but I got slipped for like $50 per account on futures, which is insane. So I'm only up like 300, 400 for the day, something light. All right. Chat, rejecting off both sides though. You rejected off the bottom of the level and the top of the level here. It looks like this 1 hour is going to close in the middle of no man's land. We have no news today, chat, remember. But we do have comics open in about 20 minutes here. So that should bring some volume into the market for us. Chat, should we do a giveaway? Shall we do a giveaway? What a question. You guys are obviously going to say yes. Giveaway time. I'm going to have to keep it at 60 likes though. Even though we don't have 60 viewers currently, we will do it by the end of the stream, obviously, but I can't degrade the likes right now. We had 50 likes before. 60 likes for a free Apex account. Put tool on that chart. What tool? Oh, like the trade tool. Classic. Dan, what's good, brother? SG, you are here in NY. Good to see you. Yeah, brother, we're changing over to NY, I think, to be honest. At least I was just testing it out, but I think we should be good, to be honest, to continue with it. NY is doing well. It's also a little bit nicer. I can go to the gym in the morning. Because London's not really printing anything at the minute. I do look at the charts in London, but it's not really printing jack shit. Although, to be fair, if we were streaming today, I probably would have got this trade here. But we move. Now, chat, we have to be in drawdown, right? This is the way to do it, chat. Good call to trade NY with the team. Appreciate it, brother. Or do you've got the sales? I did take the sales this morning. I'm just not on stream. This 1 hour sky dweller from the top of the range, right? I took it from like from here. But then, like I said, the wick stopped me break even. Now we wait. Trust me, the bait has been set. I would love to actually rage bait someone with this. I think I have to change it though to like these colors so that people know that which one stops and which ones take profit. There you go. Classics. Chat, this is a pretty high risk to reward trade right here. .07 to 1. Really sustainable trading model, I promise. You don't blow accounts trading like this. The red is danger? Nah. This is a valid trade. I'm joking, chat. I'm not in a... Change to green. Change to green. That's how it works, right? You just change the stop loss color to green and then you're winning and not losing. Classic. That'd be sick if that worked. Let me just reverse my position real quick. Chat, the 1 hour closed in the middle of nowhere. Respecting this level, also respecting the lows. That makes it a little bit more difficult, to be honest. Obviously, we're just starting the session though, chat. So a lot of opportunity here coming. Volume's pretty low right now because we're still probably waiting for comics here. Comics open in 20 minutes. Should bring some volume into the chat. Into the chat? Into the chart, I mean. Maybe into the chat as well, but mostly the chart. Chat, give me 2 seconds, yeah? I'll be back in a sec. All right, we're back. We're back. Chat, how was everyone's weekend, by the way? What'd you guys get up to? What'd you guys get up to, man? Yesterday I was swimming in the sea. Shit was crazy. So beautiful. Anyone do anything interesting? Yeah, look at this shit. Wait. Super nice. Like, the vibes here were just immaculate. At the gym right now watching a stream? Fire. Very chill weekend for me. Did practically nothing? All right, W. It's good though. It's good to have an opportunity to do nothing as well. It's good to have that. Chat, I'm not gonna lie, I'm hungry as fuck. I'm gonna eat this wrap right now. It just came. It's just so good. All right. Yesterday I passed my macroeconomics, so stress is gone. You had an exam on a Sunday? That is tough. City SG, this isn't the London session. JK, what's good, my guy? What's good, brother? How you doing, DK? What's inside the wrap? It's like Lebanese chicken with lettuce, cabbage, some shit like that. Cucumber, it's really good. Nothing is more important than your health. Eat well. Yes, sir. Only natural ingredients. Completely right, my bro. What's good, Julian? How's it going, man? PA ain't showing much. Yeah, we're sort of consolidating here, I can't lie. Sort of starting to consolidate in the middle of this range, which is not ideal. So we definitely need some volume in the charts. Chicken donut? Yeah, it actually is. It is. John Henry. Yeah, there was a shop called John Henry where I grew up. Where are you from, brother? I'm from the UK, but I live in Cyprus. Yeah, man. It's actually been a while since we've been in Cyprus. It feels like time's flown, but yeah, man. It's been like 5 months nearly, I think. What month are we in now? June? Yeah, in like 2 weeks it'll be 5 months since I was here. Insane. Cow's flesh? What is that? Lamb or what? Veal, yeah. What are you trading, NQ? Nah, gold. Top left corner. I only trade gold personally. Yes, okay, yeah, fair. Next time I'm in Deutschland to be on, we'll get one. What's good, Renter? How's it going, man? Just got back from my nap at work. It's crazy work. The nap at work is insane. This shit's good though. I actually need another one. What? I don't know the next time I'll be in Germany though, to be honest. Was asleep on the bathroom floor with a gun strapped to my chest. America, right? Insane. No way I'm speaking German though. Berliner Donner, you know. I had German Donner once, bro. But in Düsseldorf. Not in Berlin. Crazy shit going on in America right now. Bro, I just saw a video in America of some reporter getting shot. With like rubber bullets. Country's crazy. When you come to the Netherlands? I don't even know. I will at some point. I have friends in the Netherlands. I've been a couple of times. It's a great country, to be honest, but NATO meeting here soon. That's exactly when I don't want to be there. Fuck that. Chat pushing down. SG better understand German by speaking it by itself. My German's actually got so much better, I think. I would say I'm pretty much near fluent now, or at least like not fluent, but can say enough to get by. You know what I mean? Like quite comfortably. The one thing I struggle with is accents, right? If someone from like, I don't know, Berlin or Munich or whatever comes and speaks to me with a really strong German accent, I'm cooked. We'll test you on that. Maybe. What is that, bro? That's a crazy word. Strike, Holt, Telken. Bro, I've never seen that word in my life. You'll see on the airport when you arrive, they say hello or hello to you. Bro, I spoke to the German airport fucking security last time I was there in German. And halfway through, they were just fucking going like in. And I was like, all right, I have to speak in English now. because they spoke to me in German first, so I tried to continue it. But then they were asking so many questions. Like obviously they asked me who have you come to see, what are you doing in Germany, where are you staying, all that shit, and I could answer all that. And then they were like, you know, they started saying, what did you do for a living? All that shit. It was really weird. They literally had me there for like 20 minutes asking these crazy questions. Honestly, the strictest border force I've ever seen. Then they asked you how to catch a position. You taught them there and then. I taught them the sky dweller straight on the spot. Yeah, good shit. Go Afghanistan, more straight there. Maybe. Maybe. Chat, 10 minutes here till comics open. Poland had me on ropes, even searched me as I was leaving. Yeah, bro. Poland's like top tier for that shit. That's good though. Germany, I got searched like every single time as well. I nearly got strip searched in Germany, but I got away with it. I just had to, bro, they took me to some room. I had to take my shirt off and they were like swabbing me for drugs and shit. It was crazy. Sounds like the start of some terrible, terrible orange and black film. What's good, Creed? How's it going, brother? They wanted to mess with you because you have a Brexit passport? Yeah, true. True. Just wait till I have a... Actually, I'm not going to say that on... I'm not going to say that on stream. How's KB doing? I'm not sure. I haven't spoken to him in a while. Hopefully he's good though. I'll check up with him in a bit. An AK-47? Not an AK-47. Definitely not that. You can get a ceramic braid through the airport, bro. Why do you even know that or even try it? He donated his liver. Yeah, I think so, bro. I think so. Heard it on TV. Yeah, smart. Smart. All right, chat. 15-minute closing here in about 2 minutes. I want to see some direction here, chat. We need to see a general idea of direction, right? Whether it's a liquidity grab, whether it's just a continue. Oh shit, chat. Apex has 80% off. I didn't realize. I just looked on their website. It's not 70, it's 80%. Shit. All right, they have a big sale on. Good shit. If you want an Apex account, now's your chance. I swear ACG has a sale on too. Is it just me or I swear they have one on? Because they just added Trade Locker. Someone check that for me. Chat, I'm hungry again now. I swear my appetite's gone crazy recently. Isn't 80 the standard for Apex and 90% is rare one? Why 1150k Apex is not 20? I don't know why I read them. I read two questions at once. So why 1150k is not Apex, not 20? Because I didn't pass 20. Simple. And no, 71% is the standard for Apex, and then 80 is rare, and then 90 is like ultra rare, you know? Time to make a milli. All right, 15 minutes. Just tapped into the bottom of the level here, chat, actually. So you're making some direction, but we are closing respecting, to be honest. What's your bias on gold? I don't really have one at the minute. I want to see some direction being made first. I'm overall a bit more bearish, like short term. Obviously long term bullish. But I think we could come down and tap into like the 28s today. So like 32, 83, around there. But equally as possible, it's just a continuation back up, right? You did start to make some bullish structure here as well. So we'll see. Price action mirror tells me, like, to be honest, 80, 74 is possible. 75, 60s. SG, buy 50 more accounts and full margin them all on CPI day? No. If you guys keep buying accounts, eventually it'll get to the point where Apex gives me like 50 to 100 every month. And then we can full margin them all on CPI and give the profits back to... We can do like a... What's it called? A syndicate. Yeah, smart. Apex, I'm joking, by the way. Before you see that and ban me. Chat, can we make a meal? Yo, what's good, D? How's it going, brother? All right, 15-minute close. It's a weird rejection again off the range. So this level is holding strong. I'm at the airport right now in Atlanta. Flying to Germany. I'll give you the free Apex account if you shout bomb in the airport right now and record it. Clip that. I might have to do this. Chat, clip it. Bro, you just told us the flight though. Now we can just call in a threat to the flight. I'm joking. Chat, don't do that. What's good, Blizzy? Bro isn't doing well for a shadow ban. Yeah, true, actually. That's true. I'm sort of stabbing myself in the shoulder. What's the phrase? Shooting yourself in the foot, stabbing yourself in the shoulder? One or the other. Chat. Say name is DB, they'll know who he is. The AI already knows who everyone is. Insane. Insane. Can't lie, I can't wait for European snus. Yeah, I bet the American stuff is super weak. Zins, bro. Fucking Zins, man. You gotta go and get the, what they call the Pablos. Bro, the guys I used to go to the gym with used to have the Pablo snus. 60 milligrams or some shit. Pop 2 of them. This shit. Fuck off, bro. 50 milligrams. I tried a 12 milligram snus once and nearly yacked. Yes. Yeah, I was gonna say, bro, who the fuck? This is why I don't do snus, bro, because it makes you throw up. Like, why the fuck would you want to do that? Firstly, it just makes you feel sick, and if you don't actually throw up, you just feel sick for ages. What's the point? Jack, can we make a milli? I stay by my lucky strikes. Proper Deutscher, eh? Have to battle demons to get through snus? Yeah, no way. Gets better the more you do it. Yeah. I mean, I used to do it at the law firm all the time. I'd be sat there with a snus and a monster, but it's not sustainable, man. It made me feel sick. Just like, this yardie's telling me dance. Well, you all on, just eat shrooms. At least cigarettes get your testosterone higher. That is true. Nicotine is good for you, though. Nicotine's a very good cognitive enhancer. I guess the cleanest way is probably like a patch, to be honest. Or like gum. But who the fuck does that? Only people who are trying to quit smoking, really. Oh. Chat, if this 15 flips, closes bullish. Nah, I was gonna say buys aren't really on the cards right now unless we can continue up here. This is just poor price action right now. You heard it here first, kids. Smoke cigarettes. That's what I'm saying, bro. But did I saw that right in the one vid? You had an ICOS on you? Nah, no way. No chance. Maybe. Only Europeans know about the ICOS, right? ICOS is elite though, I can't lie. Like when you show it to someone in England, they're like, what even is this weird, strange contraption? Icon clothing? That's the Anuha brand, right? You them? No. Tastes like fart. No, it does not. It's insane. Chat, we're pushing back up here. You know them? Yeah, that's Ruben Anuha's brand. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Why? They're from the Netherlands? Yeah, Anuha, yeah. But I'm not from the Netherlands, so... Oh, maybe you are, I don't know. Got GGs in Dubai. Yeah, that's old news though, but they're out now. Nah, they're not still locked up. At least one of them's out. Oh yeah, Olderbo, okay. Still though, like 10k for basic ass information. Bro, they were doing 700k a week on that course. They were doing 700k a week on that course. It's insane. No wonder they had a little bit of gack on them, like. But if you want to party like that, Dubai is not the place to be doing it, right? Like, go somewhere like, I don't know. Plus, Dubai's shit anyway. Fuck Dubai. I'd much rather be in Monaco than Dubai. Or like Marbella, or to be honest, I'd rather be in Limassol. Cyprus is elite. 6 minutes chat to the 30-minute closure. Comics Open did happen, right? Gave us a little bit of volume, but nothing crazy. So we need some more volume. It might be, to be honest, chat, we have a No News Monday, right? Sometimes on No News Mondays, you do get like a lot less volume. So that might be the case. But if the market continues to do this bullshit, then I don't even know what to say, chat. Florida if you want to get, bro, like, yeah, Miami looks decent, but again, it seems fake as fuck. If you want to get AIDS, I'm not trying to get AIDS, to be honest. It's good, Smike. Yeah, that's not on my bucket list. NYC Open, we'll get some volume. Yeah, 35 minutes for that there. So we got a little bit of time. I mean, look, we'll see what happens. Potentially, if you close below here, we can look at the sells, but look at how strongly we're rejecting every time. In my opinion, I think we start to see a push back up. But again, that's just speculation because anything could happen here. And I think if you do want to make a move up as well, you need some liquidity to be grabbed from like down on this blue line. I saw a video of a lion walking up to a homeless man in India and walked away after a sniff. I saw that. I saw that. No comment. What's good, Crypto Maniac? How's it going, brother? Why is that blue line? What do you have there? It's just a magical line in the sand. Doesn't mean anything. No, I'm joking. It's a rejection area from the past, right? If you go to the left, you can see like we have rejections here, here, and if you go further left as well, here. So basically like this is the area where you should tap into before rejecting, right? So that's basically like a break-even level for sales if we get them. That's the reason I have it. Make sense? Good GU, I'm chilling, bro. Trying to get some positions. Nah, not really. I mean, if something forms, chat, we'll take it, but... if it doesn't, then we won't. Obviously, chat. That's how it works. You guys know me. Probably the most disciplined trader in the game. Tell me another trader that streams and gets such a high win rate, but so few trades, right? Because a lot of traders come on stream and they know that they get more viewers if they get in positions regularly, right? I'm just here to trade, man. I actually make money from trading, unlike most of these streamers. So if a trade's not forming, I'm not going to take it. No comment, KK. No comment. If you look at what the last stream happened. But anyway, check out the TikTok I posted in Discord chat. What is this? Snus healed you? Is this you? It's not gonna let me watch this shit, is it? 10 pineapples sound good? They might be. If you're on a beach in Hawaii, 10 pineapples is great. What is this, bro? There's just no ending. Done for the day myself. Gold cucked me, but Naz, I'm up. Made it up 0.4% of the day. W, bro. No Martingale here. Nah, Martingale's on holiday right now. Mr. Gale. Chat, is this 30-minute gonna flip? Maybe it does here. Big rejection as well. Look at this liquidity being grabbed right now. So if we can see like a closure above this area right here. That would be a change in structure on the 5. Would be above these levels as well. And it would be a bullish 30-minute closure here in a minute's time. That could be good for some buys, chat. You did sweep the lows as well. Oh, you did that recently. Okay. Nice. See how we close here, chat. Lock it in. One minute. It needs to come up, make a bottom wick, and then continue up, right? Otherwise, there's no trade. Stops are pretty decent, though. I think my plane is going to break if I don't turn airplane mode on. I want to stay in stream. Does the plane have Wi-Fi? It should do, right? If you're flying from America to Germany, that's a long plane. It should have Wi-Fi. Taking it based on the 1 hour, based on the 30-minute. Chat, it doesn't look like it wants to close above. 30-minute resistance still there. That's why I need a closure above. I need a closure above this blue level. Otherwise, yeah, there's a strong resistance here. On pretty much every time frame as well. It's good, Andrew. If that shit costs money. Bro, it's about money versus, yeah, chat, we closed below, tough. It's about money versus your enjoyment of life, right? If you're on a fat long plane ride and you want to get Wi-Fi, it's probably worth doing. I always get it, like on British Airways. To be fair, is it free on British Airways? I think if you have business class, it's free. I can't remember. Sometimes I pay for it. I don't even know. If the plane that I'm flying back to the UK on doesn't have it, I'm going to kick off the start a serious scrap. I always think you can justify spending money if it makes your enjoyment of life better, right? That's the main thing you should be spending money on. Fuck the rest of the, like, materialistic shit. For example, spending money on, like, a decent car to get you around is good, but you don't need, like, a Lamborghini. You know, spending money on stuff that passes the time better, rather than being bored as fuck, is also good. And also stuff that saves you time, right? Like hiring people for your business, all that sort of thing. Heard you need a 50k Apex account to get access? Good shit, I've got a few of them and in the back pocket. Let's look at Discord. I found you can't deny it anymore? Nah. Cap. Cap. Yeah, you got me. I just wear my torn trainers and shoes, but making banking trading. GG's. Good shit, man. Good shit. Chat, we're pushing up. 15-minute close, no top wick, which is ugly. 30-minute close, respecting the level. Maybe we get something on the 1 hour here, chat. You did sweep the lows as well, which is good. So either we get a position right now, if we close above these highs here, taking us up on the 1 hour towards the top of the range, or if it fills the range and closes above, we can also take a position now to come up towards sort of, to be honest, a lot higher here. If you take buys right now, you can get, you've probably got room up till, yeah, 33, 31 roughly. So it's like a 33, 32 actually. That's like an 80 pip range right there. A lot of opportunity here. Chat, remember, 60 likes. I'll give away a free Apex account. 70 people in here right now. I appreciate you very much. Make sure you drop a like. Make sure you are subscribed. You must be subscribed to win the giveaway. All right, the aircon's finally working. I need to turn it down now. It's a bit too... Nice. Chat, this should be interesting here. It's unfortunate we made the push after the 30 close though. If you did it like just before when we closed on the 30 above, we would have been in these buys right now. But I mean, it might be a good thing because it might flip back down. Spion's on it. Spion's mod god. Spion's always been the mod god. Mr. Clip over here. Nah. I don't like price action here. Yeah, it's not the best. It's not the best, to be honest. Chat, I want another one of those wraps, man. It's a bank holiday here, though, in Cyprus. Everything was closed. I literally, chat, I drove to the gym this morning because it said it was open online. Got there and it was shut. I was like, fuck's sake. Then I went to the supermarket to get some food. Shut. Luckily, the bakery is open, so I got that wrap, but... Tough, man. I swear, Greeks and Cypriots. How many Cypriot national holidays are there? There's like one every fucking 2 days. May as well just infinitely be on holiday. 15. Nah, it's more than that. It's more than that. What's the day today? Because there's one right now. And it's June the 9th, and it doesn't show it on here. So this is cap. The world just falls further and further into a dystopian nightmare. It's not entirely true, bro. Depends what you are, man. Like, it's really easy to get pessimistic, but at the end of the day, life's good. It's a beautiful thing. If you go somewhere nice where there's good nature and shit, everything suddenly starts to get a lot better, man. Chat, I'll be back in 2 secs, yeah? Fuck me, it's cold in here. Alright, chat, we're back. Weird flex that you can count? Nah, it's a good flex. That is a long insider, to be fair. Long insider, crazy. Long inside joke. Is it Whip Monday? Yeah, what is Whip Monday, chat? Anyone know? Tell me what Whip Monday is, because that's what it is today. I don't know what the fuck it means. Chat, big rejection here as well. Look at that. 5-minute no top wick above the level, though. So the structure is kind of bullish right now, but that is a big rejection. What's Whip Monday? Someone tell me, chat. 22 minutes to the 1 hour. 15-minute might flip as well. Pentecost? Oh. I don't know if Cyprus is religious. Yeah, very. Was goated back in the day? Yeah, that actually was. Chat, we might push back down here towards the bottom of the range, to be honest. Anything could happen right now. Literally anything. The 15 has the no top wick. Looks like this one's going to flip as well. So this could either be a liquidity grab or it could be a higher high being made. It's both. So this is impossible to trade, chat. This is essentially impossible to trade right now. Like, how are you meant to trade this shit? You can't until you get a closure above or a closure below. It's untradeable. I think the position for the day, or not for the day, but the position earlier was this trade in London. This close down here was nice. Bow, bow, bow. SG, what? That's why you need to become a master of Wudan and Aikido. Maybe. I don't know what either of those things are, to be honest. I know Aikido is like some fighting shit. Isn't that Top G thing? A fucking Andrew Tate thing. I don't know. Bushido. Yeah, I was gonna say, aren't they like Not real. I don't know. Anyway. Chat, 5-minute closing. Let's see what it does. If it closes respecting, you should continue up here, chat. Maybe this was a liquidity grab, actually. You do have room towards the top of the range here as well. Should we full margin, chat? Just one little full margin a day keeps the profitability away. Ha. Wing Chun. What are all these things you keep saying to me, man? I don't know any of these. I'm not an internet person. Mad. Mad for me to say that because I actually am. It's literally my job. Yeah, we need some more volatility, to be honest. Chat, can we make $1 million? Just 1 million. Chat, just a mil today would be good. Like, as long as we get 1 mil today, I'm pretty happy with it. Just been given €150 pound voucher. Amazon. What should I spend it on? AirPods. AirPods Pro. They're pretty sick. It's about 140 quid as well. It's okay. 1 million this week. Yeah, 1 mil. Buy SG a microwave. Oh, yo, buy me a Ninja Creamy. Chat, I actually really want one of these. But I think they're really fucking expensive, especially in Cyprus. Yeah, 230 euros. Fuck that, bro. For an ice, it basically makes ice cream. They're sick, to be fair, but I'm not spending that much, man. 200. It's not too bad. Out of context. Creamy, you know. Yeah, it's a bit of a suspect name. Yeah, bro, you can make ice cream every day. Protein smoothie. Yeah, exactly, bro. That's what I'm saying. I would do it every single day. Maybe it's worth it. Fuck it. Maybe I need to buy one and just make them every single day. I'd be so shredded, I can't lie. I'd just eat protein ice cream for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I just put like Greek yogurt, fucking peanut butter, protein powder, dark chocolate, easy. Chat. The 4 hour looks good though. So does the 2 hour. 15 minutes to the hourly close. You can buy a protein shake from the store and throw it in the freezer. I don't think that's how it works. I don't think that's how it works, personally. Yes, it does work like that. Nah, because it won't be like creamy and smooth. It'll be like an ice lolly. And I don't like ice lollies. They're shit. Ice cream's good, but like an ice lolly is not ideal. Or would it be smooth? Yes, it does work like that. It's crazy. Especially because it's warm as fuck here, chat. It does get cream light, ice cream light. Mad. You just proved me wrong. Get this man a propeller hat. Chat. If someone buys me a propeller hat, I'll wear it on stream. A propeller hat would be sick. You telling me I wouldn't look badass with one of these on? Send me your ad and I'll send it. Mad. I don't know if I trust sending. This one's got a frog on it as well. Wait, okay, save. Let's try it out. Let's try it out, chat. Wait. Nah, come on. You have to admit I'd look pretty good in one of these. Oh wait, I took the propeller off by accident. That'd be sick. Wait. Yeah. See, I'm telling you, that'd be sick. Can I take the background off? Properties. Wait. Blending mode. Subtract. Oh. Wait, I didn't know I could do that shit. That's crazy. Doesn't really work. Give Addy will buy it? Nah, I'm joking, bro. Don't buy me a hat. It's all good. Thank you, though. Alright. Either kid or kid fiddler. Brazy. Now do the same with underwear. Insane. Chat, you guys are cooked. Eugene's paranoid. Hmm. 15-minute close. How did it close? Weak bullish, chat. This is not the best. We'll see what NYC Open does. I might stay till New York Open, depending on if there's any decent price action. If it's still shit, then missing so much to do random stuff on stream. Yeah, I know it's fun, right? What's a Pikmin? Okay, what can I add? Let's add random images to the stream. Chat, look what I made the other day. Wait. I was meant to post this, but I forgot to, and now the trend is gone. Look at this shit. This is actually cold. Tell me that's not hard. The TRLS starter pack, right? That shit's sick. Fucking Range Rover key. The watch. Yeah, man. Whoa. Alright, let's delete it. Yes. What's good, Betch? How's it going, brother? Chat, this is interesting, man. Okay, we're flipping here, chat. Maybe. If we can get outside this range, we should be good to go. Yo. Why am I in there? How'd you do that? How'd you do this shit? That's cold. Hey, what's good, W7? How's it going, brother? Can you put an image over? Because it's over the scale as well. It's not just on the chart. Chat, anyone remember this guy? If you remember this guy, you're an OG. This guy was goated. Yeah, OG. Long time, how are you, brother? I'm good, Yusha, how are you, man? Chat, I don't even know if I have this guy anymore. Wait. Wait, do I still have this guy? Desktop, document. Is that it? Tell me that. Oh, wait, it was there for a second, I swear. Chat, you saw it for a second, right? Oh, wait. Chat. No way, we got him back. Chat, that is insane. I found him. That is OG. I need to make that like a, whenever someone donates or subs, which to be fun, actually, to be honest, I don't really want you guys to do that anyway, but if I did have that, I'd have it come across the screen with like, congrats, or whatever the fuck it says. But this guy was pumping away in the corner of the screen for ages back in the day. We can use him to push price up as well. See, like if we put him under here, he should be pushing the price up. Yeah, this guy's done. He's been doing it since he's been off stream as well. He's been doing shoulder press for the last like 50 years. Right, we'll leave him. We'll keep him in the background so that we can use him later if we need. If we're in a trade and we're in drawdown, we'll bring him back. Can't overuse it, right? That is OG right there. That gives me some good throwbacks. Chat, we flipped here on the hourly. 9 minutes left till the closure. Now if you close below, chat, I realistically believe you continue down towards the bottom of the range. How do I redeem the code? Go to Apex. Buy any account of size you want, and before you check out, use that in the code. The way you would normally put like code SG. Put the code that I sent you and you get a free account. But I can't remember which one it is, so you have to try them both out. One of them's gonna have been used once already. Or if not, bro, just wait, actually I think try it for me. I think maybe none of them have been used. If so, then I've got another one to give away. But don't use two. All right, be fair. Actually, I can check it for myself. Not that you would anyway. All right, chat. We're pushing down here. Start to lock it in here. We've got 8 minutes till the close. I'm excited. Chat, what a stream it's been so far. Hella entertaining. Just want to see some nice direction, to be honest. I genuinely think if we don't get anything by NYSE Open, not NYC Open, NYSE Open, if we get nothing by then, I think I'll call it a day, because I don't think we'll get anything in the afternoon. I mean, maybe we will, but I tested it. Taking notes on your videos that are 30 minutes takes me over 3 hours. Good, bro. You're learning. All right, perfect. Thank you, Danny. Do you ever look at any other pairs these days besides gold? No, still only gold, man. Still only gold. It's a tried and tested system, right? It works for me. So yeah, man. But like realistically, if I was gonna add one, it'd probably be NQ. Like definitely, I'd say NQ or maybe US30, but probably NQ. Saw a post that aside from the crackheads are pretty healthy because they get a lot of sun and a lot of walking. Yeah, but the crack can't help. Can't be beneficial to be doing crack every day. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm not a doctor, so I don't know, but just a guess. Next hour is going to close doji. Definitely a range day. I think so. We'll see, man. How do you want to see the hourly close? To be honest, I wanted to see it either side of the range, right? Either above or below, but it doesn't look like it wants to do that. If we do close pretty strong bullish above this level, we can attempt some buys. Stops are pretty safe below these lows. Screamer, chat. Love a bit of Latin music. Do you have a way you can figure out your RR on specific trades in a specific time period? Yeah, just go down and select them all. Like go down and hold select, and then you can do it. Like no, yeah, basically highlight them all, and then click in the bottom right, and it will say like total or average or whatever, whichever one you want to find out. I redeem the account. What do I do now? Can we wish some music for the stream? I'm trying to stay away from copyright stream, brother. Copyright music. If it's copyright free, then yeah, I'll play it. But no worries, W7. Danny, go and watch the YouTube video I made on Apex, and it'll show you how to set up an account. But just download Tradeovate, or not download it. Just go to the website. You'll get some login details. Oh, chat. You're good, man. Martini's on me. Martini's a fire. Spring in my step. Play after this. This is too much of a screamer, to be honest. Three minutes, chat. 30 minutes doesn't look like, to be fair, it doesn't look too bad. If the 1 hour closes like this as well, you've got room to the top. SG, if you land in Berlin when you come to Germany, I'll pick you up and we'll fly over the Autobahn to your hotel. Bro, you know what I want to do, Spion? I want to rent a car and go on the Autobahn. Like, I want to get like a, I don't know, probably a Porsche and rip it down the Autobahn. Shit would be so fun. Chat, I was looking at Porsches yesterday. I think it might be my next car. I think my next car might have to be like a 911. A Turbo S, probably not a GT3. Just because it's crazy money, but a Turbo S would go hard. Chat, 2 minutes here. Looks like we might be good here. 15-minute flip, 30-minute closing above, 1 hour closing above. You should tap into the top of the range. Turbo S is better than the GT3. Why is that? I don't know too much about the difference between the two. But I know you can get like a... Bro. There's one for sale here. It's like a 4-liter Turbo S. I think. 4-liter, bro. Just a fucking crazy car. It makes me smile thinking about it. I see them every single day, bro. Yesterday there was a kid. Definitely a Russian kid. But he was like... He looked about 20 years old, ripping down the road in a GT3. And then another one in a Turbo S as well. Fucking bullshit. Turbo S is like for a straight line, so Autobahn and GT3 is more for track. Ah, okay, yeah, okay. That makes sense. I don't know too much, bro. All I know is fast car, looks nice, good sound. That's all I really care about. R8 V10? Nah, fuck that. Bro, an R8 doesn't even come close to a Porsche like that. Like, R8s are okay, but it's probably the last supercar I'd have. After song, can you please put on Street Man Balaclava on the beach? Yeah, say less. This is just a mixer that I've got on, to be honest. Sound is much better. You can just get crazy exhaust, to be fair. Chat, anyway, 1 minute left. Lock it in right now. Let's see what we do here. If we can get a tap back into 33.17, we can take some buys back up towards the top of the range. I think that should be valid in my opinion. I don't see any reason why we shouldn't fill the range now. Yeah, every time you pretty much fill the range. There's a minor support resistance here, sorry. So I want to see like a retest of this level, right? Let's delete this. Where was it? Retest of here. Let's do like 6. All right, chat, how are we closing here? GC, Danny. It's just called GC. Oh, chat, it came close, you know. Chat, I'm gonna take a buy right now. Just jumped in a buy here. So essentially the position I have right now is buys off of this retap into the level. Right here. Targeting the top of the range. Stops are gonna be below these previous lows. Right here. Stops below the lows. TP top of the range. Jumped in a buy right now. Let's see what we do. TP's, wait, up here, right? Wait. Maybe a bit higher, but we can leave it there. And stops is below that candle low there. So below here. So let's see, chat. Let's see what happens here, man. Jumps in these buys right now. I want to see a strong rejection, to be honest, to the upside here. If you come back down and sweep the lows, so be it, I guess. Just basically an inter-range play right now. Spee on the mod god coming in here with the position marker. Love it. There we go, chat. Bit of a rejection, followed by an immediate rejection back to the downside, so not the best. 1 minute looks good though. We shall see. This has been taken on my futures Apex account, so on my live Apex accounts. I have not taken this on my live account though. Because I don't want to. Simple. Nothing about the validity of the trade. I just don't want to manage 2 positions at once, right? B on the flip? Yeah, B on the rebreak of the highs. Chat, this trade looks good though. Maybe you needed to come down and retest this level as well. So maybe we don't have the craziest entry. How much am I risking here? $420. Okay, not bad. Wait, okay. Aggressive push down here, chat. Holy shit. Can we see a flip though? 1 minute close, no bottom wick. Which is interesting here. This looks good for a rejection, to be honest. If we reject from here, you look good to flip and drive. Maybe we didn't get the perfect entry. But we'll see. Thoughts on the slight sweep of the highs on 5 minute? It didn't really sweep them. It didn't really sweep them, right? What is this? Notion? I don't want an open Notion right now. I'm in a position. Chat, if this plays out, it plays out. If this is an L, it's a 1% L or less than 1%. So I'm happy to let this go. We're kind of in the middle of the range right now, which normally I don't advise, but the fact that we're making bullish structure here for me indicates we should continue up. As well as that, look at the wicks we have down here, right? You have liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. All of these wicks have been grabbing liquidity. Why would you not make a move up if you're doing that? It doesn't make much sense to me. And even if you did want to make a move down, you should be grabbing liquidity first, right? That's what makes the most sense to me. This is not right, by the way. The trading view thing's always behind on the profit. It's really weird. Like, it's always super behind. But anyway, it doesn't matter. I'll show you when I close anyway. 1 minute flipping here. Reflipping, flipping, reflipping. Yeah, chat, break-even point is going to be on a retake of these highs up here, which is basically like, yeah, the re-break of the 1 hour, right? Oh no, we'll do a re-break of this. That'd be break-even. 5 minute close bearish here, which is obviously not the best for us. But again, the trade's based off the 1 hour. Quick look on Discord. Insane. Is that what you meant? Or did you mean trading floor? That's insane. Who made that? That's sick, bro. I have to get one of them. I have to get one of them. Chat, in fact, I changed my mind. Someone send me a propeller hat. Is this Mark F? Nah. Different Mark. We have like 10 marks in Discord right now. I want to make sure we don't get swept, right? So like I'm going to put it a little bit below these lows. Here to the left. Same stop. Stops at 74 pips. TP 66. Basically a 1-to-1, right? Chat, we might get wrecked here. This might be a swift L. 1 minute flip though. After tapping into the bottom of the range as well. Could be nice. I can't really afford more risk on the table, to be honest. It's not a bad opportunity actually for a second position there if you wanted to take the respect of this level on the 1 minute. But I can't afford more risk really. I'm already risking like 0.8%. I don't want to add more risk to a losing trade for no reason. Well, not a losing trade, sorry, but I don't want to add more risk in drawdown for no reason. I'm not saying it's a losing trade, right? If I thought that already, I'd be out. Chat, we're going to get cooked here. Maybe. I thought this was a clean trade. I still think it is, to be honest. It could just be gold being gold, man. Add to the winners only. I think sometimes you can add it in drawdown in rare occasions, but you can't just add for the sake of adding, right? If there's 15 flips, we could be good, chat. No, if the 15 flips, we are obviously good. If the 5 flips, we could be good. Look at the liquidity that we've been grabbing, chat. Like, look at it. This doesn't make too much sense to me right now. Like, liquidity from below, liquidity from below, liquidity from below, below, and again from below here. If this doesn't take off, I don't even know what would, chat. It makes pretty much no sense to me here. For me, like, the only logical thing we should do from here is to rip upwards. So we'll see, chat. We'll see what happens. I prefer to hedge winners than losers, though, bro, personally. I don't know anything about hedging, man. Oh, yeah, chat. What did I say earlier? I needed to... we need to get this guy out again. There you go. Mr. Pump It Up's back. Right, he's going to help it out for us. Time to push up here, chat. Could be a lower high though, so don't get too excited too quickly. Mark F, he was here yesterday. He's about. Chat, 5 minute flips and closes bullish. We're good. If we can flip and close bullish, we are chilling, chat. This is his pose? No. We briefly flipped, but we're struggling here, chat, which is not good, right? You wanted to see it. Yeah, there you go. Look. So we're going to start to push down a little bit here, which is not the best. You wanted to see like a strong push up here. Like almost immediately. after you flipped. And then that's liquidity, right? At this point, though, it looks like it's just a continuation back down. We'll see, though. Maybe the 1 minute can flip. You got another 5 minute close here shortly. You might need to come and tap back into the level again for some reason. Volume looks like it's drying up. Yeah, but I tell you what, though, we've got a decent bottom wick on this trade now. 60 pip bottom wick trade. If this flips, it should rip through the highs. Is being able to shoulder press 50 is a good benchmark, or does it count as average? Are you talking about 50 kgs or 50 pounds, bro? You're American. I never know what you're talking about. How many pips is your stop loss? 77, I think. 620? 620. Not 620, 62, my bad. I don't know why I said 620, 62. Pounds, 50 pounds, how much is that? 20 kilograms? It depends on your weight, bro. It all depends on your weight. I'm a lot heavier, so I can bench press quite a lot, but I can shoulder press quite a lot, but it just depends. Oh, chat, I just turned the AC off and it's like so much quieter now. I can actually think. Chat, we're pushing down here, man. I want to see a breaking structure on the 1 minute, to be honest. Currently down 150 bucks across 10 accounts, which is what? 1.5k? Something light. It's actually 10 Apex accounts, not 11, because I'm not copy trading the second one, so we'll just keep it as 10. Don't let anyone tell you it ain't good. Yeah, to be fair, yeah, that's exactly true. Measure your own progress on yourself yesterday, or yourself last week, or yourself a year ago, right? Don't measure yourself on other people's progress. It's a very good point, actually. My big boy, 180 pounds. 180 pounds is not big, right? How much is 180 pounds in kilograms? How much do I weigh in kilograms? Oh, you weigh 81. That's not small. That's not small. That's decent. Depending on height as well. I think I weigh... So I currently weigh 97 kg. Fuck, I weigh 213 pounds. That's quite big, no? 5'10"? That's decent, man. So I'm like skinny fat? Nah. Don't put yourself down like that. Chat, 5 minute flipped here. Can we see a push? I want to see a tap back into 2741.9. That'll put us 20 pips in profit. We'll be break even at that point. And then we can just let the rest of the trade ride. I'm 5'8", except those are two different measurements. Classic. Classic. Yeah, I'm 6'3", and they're two different measurements too. Chat, we're trying to push up here, but also rejecting. So, I mean, look, we'll see. The 1 hour closed so strongly bullish, right? Makes really little sense to me. I mean, we are slowing down, so maybe you start to reverse from here. Chat, the most important thing to remember, as always, is as long as you're risking appropriate on each trade, you're going to be completely fine in the long run, right? Just DCA into 40 contracts, no balls. It's not a bad move. It's not a bad move. I think it actually is a bad move, but there you go. Chat, 5 minute flipping here. Now everyone full margin, so buyers, so SG can win his trade. Yeah, trust me, if you're a real community, you guys would be full margin in the buyers. Now I'm joking. Wait, Blizzy, what was that song again? Give me the name. Chat, remember 50 likes on the stream. Yeah, Balaclava on the beach. We'll play it. Can curl 40s right now. Kind of fucking with that one. That's sick, bro. Yeah, curling 40s is good. Streetman TV. What is this, bro? Are you like fucking with me? It's also on Spotify. It can't be. Bro, what is this? I can't believe you tricked me into that one, to be honest. I actually can't believe it. Chat, 15-minute flipped here after closing bearish. We might see a mirror of this move to the upside, and now my fucking music stopped playing. I'm sad. Can it come back, please? All right, skip it forward. Chat, so the 15 closed bearish, which is not the best, obviously. But with that being said, right, we are starting to slow down the move downwards. You swept the low. Starting to reject as well. If we can push up from here, we should be great to go. Again, look at the 30-minute and the 1 hour. That's what the trade's based off of. Heard you and I thought you were playing the clip. I can't believe you've done this. Mad. All right, chat. So we're tapping back into this level here now. Chat, this is so crazy to me. Like, how much liquidity does the market need? It's got, what, 1 bottom wick, 2 bottom wick, 3 bottom wick, 4 bottom wick, 5 bottom wick, 6 bottom wicks now. If you go on the 15, it's even more. From below as well. And you're telling me we're not pushing up? Interesting. Doesn't really make much sense to me if I'm truly honest, but at the end of the day, the market is the market. It does what it does. We're pushing down right now. Might get stopped here, chat. Coming pretty close to stops. We're at 20 points away. Might need 1 liquidity grab too many, maybe. Maybe. It might come down and sweep the lows. That's why I've put stops below these lows, because if it breaks these, it shouldn't make any sense, to be honest. Oh, chat. It's a good reaction. Swept the low as well, right? Oh no, not quite. So fucking Camelot surfing all that liquidity. Trust me. Oh, there we go, chat. That's what we like to see, man. I mean, we're not out of the woods yet, don't get me wrong. There's no like, oh yeah, sick, we're going to win this. We're still in drawdown. In about 30 pips of drawdown right now. So nothing crazy. 5-minute close in 2 minutes here, chat. If we can close bullish on the 5, that'd be really nice. Grabs liquidity and then just doesn't push back up. It doesn't make much sense. Like, why would you grab liquidity here and reject and then not push back up? Either way, chat, it's a screamer, right? Absolute banger trade. I forgot the guy was still on there. I forgot that guy was still on there. Like the lesson said, we won't be able to predict what happens 100% of the time, but you're able to predict it a little bit more accurately. True. 100%, bro. Hey, where's all the drawdown monkeys at, huh? The people who come out of the shadows when I'm in drawdown, where are they? Five-minute closure in a minute's time, chat. I want to see a bullish closure. Because we haven't had one bullish closure since we entered the trade, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm right here. Yeah. The point of being in a drawdown trade like this is so I can farm viewers, obviously, chat. Like, do you guys not realize? I do this shit on purpose. I'm joking. Someone's going to take that seriously. SG said that he does it on purpose. He loses on purpose to make his viewers lose. Master has given Dobby a sock. All right, chat, we're pushing down. 5 minute closing, bearish. Not ideal, chat. Happens though. Do you respect the level? Yeah. We're coming to sweep the lows though, man. Holy shit. We might get got here, chat. We might get got. How are my stops? Are they like down here somewhere? Yeah, I don't know. Ooh. Ooh. Again, we're flipping on the 5 after grabbing liquidity, chat. But it's just never enough liquidity. It makes no sense. Or is it, chat? Or is it? Is this why we have our stops where we have them? Find out on the next episode of TRLS Trading. Bosh. Rip it up a little bit. Good. But again, it's doing the same shit again. It makes zero sense again. Grabs liquidity, rejects, pushes back down. How is that? I'm not even mad. It just doesn't make much sense. Like, I don't really understand that. Why would it grab liquidity and reject just to then push back down? So we've got some extremely heavy sellers going on right now. Someone's really trying to push this shit down. Which is fine. Because we manage risk, right? No, not the juice. Not the OJ. What's good, the guy? How we doing, man? Chat, coming down to re-rate the lows here. Maybe we needed a sweep. Chat, imagine it sweeps the lows, sweeps our low as well, and then gets us. Oh, shit. No way, it actually just did it. It actually just... Watch this reject now. Chat, we just took an L there. That was fast as fuck. Watch this shit reject now, though. Chat, if this taps me out by 1 pip and rejects, I'm going to start a scrap. Imagine the scenes. My fault they're watching the stream because of me? Nah, you're good. Unfortunate? Yeah, we moved, chat. Is what it is. Let me add it to the stream record. Where is the stream record? Trace taken. Gold sells minus 60. I got out to, yeah. Chat. That's only our 13th L ever on stream. Insane. That's called disciplined trading right there. Chat, we took an L. So be it, man. Look, sometimes in life you take an L, my friend. It happens. We move. We'll move on to the next one, chat. Remember, don't be too stressed. Don't be upset with that. We took a trade that was valid in our opinion. And, you know, in my setup, it was an extremely valid trade. Turns out I didn't want to come and grab any more liquidity to the upside before pushing. But yeah, chat, we have those days. And you know what? There's no stress whatsoever. We're going to take the next trade exactly the same if it forms because we know that trade is valid. I think it's going to reject right now and push back up. But even if it does, chat, there's nothing I can really do. I couldn't have had my stops anywhere else, to be honest. But yeah, look, let's play the geoguessr and we'll call it a day from there, chat. 13 is a very low number. Let's do the giveaway. We didn't hit 60 likes, my bro. Can't just make me do a giveaway. That's not how it works. Have to lock in for NYC Open, so I aim it on the GeoGuessr today. All good, brother. All good, all good, all good. Wait, did I send the link in or no? No, I didn't. Chat, remember, right? That's the reason we manage risk. Because if you manage risk, that loss doesn't affect you. You don't see me crying right now. We're still chilling. Still having a good day. It just is what it is, man. Shit happens. All right, let's see if we can, let's change the rules on here. GeoGuessr wins the giveaway. Nah, it can't be done, bro. SG's left nut is a crazy name. Only people stressing about losses over leverage, very true. They pip and dipped. You can't pip and dip if we take an L. That's a negative pip and dip. All right. Chat, 10 seconds, I'm starting the game. Three, two. Oh, MC just got in. I'm winning this one. Why is this so loud, bro? What the fuck? Why is this music so loud? Oh shit, I need to guess somewhere. I was trying to turn the music down because it was so loud in my ear. Who got that shit? Oh, South Africa. Okay, fair enough. Yo, what a big gap. That's insane. I just clicked a random button, but how am I in fourth with 3 points? That's insane work. Where is this? Chat, why can't I move as well? Someone tell me where this is. It's like Yellowstone or some shit. Where is Yellowstone? Montana, right? Oh, I was pretty close. Someone took back their like crazy. Shit is lagging. The stream or what? The stream should not be lagging. Chat, where is this? Ah, okay. Where is that country? Here. Yeah, man. Chat, if you didn't get that, you're cooked. It literally said Jordan on it. Oh, the GeoGuessr is lagging. Okay, okay, okay. At least it's not the stream, right? That's all that really matters. I'm joking. Chat, is this Mexico or Spain? I got no clue. Or like somewhere in South America. Where is that? Puerto Rico? No, Dominican Republic. Crazy. Alright, chat, final round. Oh, chat, what the fuck? I knew it. I literally knew it. I'm gonna punch someone. Alright, this has got to be this country, right? Yeah. I don't know whereabouts. Tokyo, Osaka, Nagoya. I don't know where these are. We're going to go Tokyo. Risk it for a biscuit. Sapporo. All right, chat. I'll take a third. SG's left nut is a crazy name. Chat, look, that's it from me, man. If this retraces, so be it. So is life. Chat, that's everything I've got for today. Peace out, man. Much love. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. Peace. You lot are quiet, eh? It's all right, man. We move on.